How to reverse money on Capitec. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we'll be learning about reversing money or refunding the payment transaction on Capitec app. So let's get started. So in order to reverse an incorrect payment made through the Capitec app, you need to contact the Capitec customer support as soon as possible. The app generally does not allow direct reversals. You need to provide the transaction details such as date, amount, and everything that is needed. You will also need a recipient so that they can start a dispute or reversal. If the transaction was debit order under R400, you can dispute it within the app. For other transactions, you need to contact the customer support. So first, you need to go ahead and find the transaction and then check your transaction history in the Capitec app. Note the date, amount, and the recipient of the transaction and contact the Capitec support. Find the Contact Us option in their page or the app, and this will take you to the contact page where you need to fill up the contact form. You can also call the Capitec's customer service line and clearly explain the issue and provide the transaction details. And dispute the debit orders, if applicable, and if the transaction was a debit order under R400, dispute it directly in the Capitec app. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.